Hello and welcome to the weekly health insurance news roundup brought to you by Health Insurance Online. This past week, seemed to be a slow week for health insurance news as we only have two main stories to cover this week. The first story involves Medicare and the fact that if a new bill is not passed by Congress by July 15th, doctors will receive less of a Medicare reimbursement, up to 10%, than they do already. This crisis has brought to the forefront other problems with Medicare reimbursement, such as doctors are already paying more to cover Medicare patients than they're being reimbursed. And the fact that this is happening more and more means that less doctors are opting to take Medicare patients, which means that Medicare patients will have less access to health care and to physicians. So it's interesting to see where this is going, and right now there's no resolution because Congress is supposed to start debating this topic today, July 7th. So hopefully we'll have some more news on this next week. The other big news story is that last week, Connecticut's new Charter Oak Affordable Health Insurance Plan began taking enrollment. Charter Oak is a subsidized plan meant to cover those who are too old for the Husky Child Care Program or too young for Medicare. Therefore, it covers patients who are between 19 and 65. Annual deductibles can be between $150 and $900, and the waiting time for these new plans is 6 weeks. But it is getting a favorable reaction from not only individuals but small business owners. So we'll see what kind of response it gets in the long run. The initial bill for this plan was $11 million. Looking at the initial cost from Massachusetts plan and how much it went up when it became a reality, it looks like $11 million is going to be on the low end of the actual cost. And that wraps it up for this week's edition of the Weekly Health Insurance News Roundup. I hope you found it informative, and for the whole text, go to www.online-health-insurance.com. Thank you and have a great week.